Good morning, everybody. Thanks for watching. So your lawnmower won't start. Well, before you go out and buy yourself a brand new battery, which will usually fix it, but sometimes you don't need to do that. Sometimes it's an easy fix. And I'm going to show you today a real simple trick that might save you from buying a new battery. You're going to need an adjustable wrench. I grabbed 4 or 5 fixed wrench and a little crescent wrench there, or vice grips. And what we're going to do is talk about something. Over time, this big vibrating engine transfers vibrations to the rest of the vehicle or the mower or the tractor, and in time these little connections become loose. You can remedy this by buying a brand new battery, and when you buy a new battery, what you're going to do is go ahead and crank these things down like a good little workman, or you can just go ahead and tighten these now and see if it'll start. So this thing is dead. I'll show you what. Hop in, put the keys in. Nothing. So what I'm gonna do is come around here and adjust these wrenches. The big safety thing is to not touch anything that's going to connect the positive and the negative. So use caution, tighten these wrenches, or use wrenches and tighten these up, but don't cross touch them at the same time. You'll get a little nasty shock. So let's do that, and I'll put the camera down while I do that. Nice and tight. Okay, let's crank it up, see if it works. So there you have it. Don't go out and buy a new battery. Just make sure your connections are tight enough. You need about 2 minutes and a couple of simple tools. And I just got a break because it started to rain and I don't have to mow. So off to inside chores. Hey, if you like my videos, hit subscribe. I put new ones on all the time. And as always, thanks for watching.